need some light in the room, doing a little construction, painting, changing things. And I have here is a LED temporary work light. And what we're gonna do is open it up, show you what it looks like inside the box. This is the work light. You get plenty of cords so you can plug it in to a GFI outlet. It lights up, and don't get it wet, because if you get it wet, it's waterproof. Nothing's going to shut off. It hangs up, it's got a fan, and it's very bright indeed. So what we're going to go do is do some work. No fan design 80 through 100 watt die cast aluminum heat sinker to speed up heat dissipation. As you can hear the fan going, the isolated constant current power supply 6,000 volt surge protector, reduce potential and protections to the product. Over 50,000 hours of rated life. Can be used indoor and outdoor. Waterproof grade IP64 and above. Plug and play, instant operation. 100 to 277 VAC, universal voltage. Now I'm able to do my work, take care of things in the house with this hanging light. If you have an area to hang it, you may do so. You could put it up on a hook, you could lay it down like so, and so forth. I hope this light is powerful enough for your needs around a construction, warehouse, basement, in a room that you need to do work. Enjoy your product if this is right for you. My AC is off and I'm changing out some bulbs. So you can see how this does a nice job getting in there, needing to get to do what I need to do. I'm able to see